Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see north on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to see north on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after landing on Google Maps, guys, you can see over here at the top right corner, just below the layers or the diamond icon, there is a compass type given for us, where there is the red pointer and the white pointer at the top right corner of the screen, just below the diamond type icon, guys. And you can see if we tap on the Google Maps with two of our fingers, and if we rotate it, that pointers rotate as well, where it indicates that the red pointer points toward the north direction, and the white pointer at the top right corner, you can see, guys, it says north over here when direction is right, and the white pointer on it indicates the south direction. So guys, if that pointer is turned off on your case, let's turn it off. And in your case, guys, if your north directions pointer is faded out like this and you're not able to view the north direction, just rotate your Google Maps by tapping with two fingers on the screen and rotate a little bit like this, and that icon will reappear pointing out to the north with the red pointer and to the south with the white pointer at over here at the top right corner of the screen, just below this diamond icon. And this way, guys, you will be able to see the north direction on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.